So trap number 6, Laura.
Yeah, so lack of executive presence. So whether you're a first level manager or whether you're a vice president, this is something to constantly keep in your mind, that you want to think, a level, 2 levels above you. I'm sure you've heard that before, dress the part. But it's sort of, what is executive presence? What does it mean? Of course, you got to look around and observe kind of the norms around you of who are the good leaders and what are they doing, what are they sounding like. A lot of it is having, good composure around conflict, being able to manage conflict. We're going to talk about that next. Having good project management skills, having good meeting management skills, kind of knowing what the highest payoff activities are, right? These are key pieces. Even, I would say, presentations. There's a lot of people that are smart and do well and have a strong team and good at conclusions, but they do a lousy PowerPoint or a lousy presentation.
Right. So an executive presence, it's in some ways company specific. It's a little bit about the culture at the company.
Oh yeah.
Right. And it's also about not just how you look, but how you sound.
Yeah.
Are you saying bright, important,
articulate things? Right. And also, if you're in the higher senior level positions, right, are you thinking like management? Are you being strategic, right? Or are you just heads down, too busy to be able to really cope?
Okay.